Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2016 Holden Colorado, stock number 6230. This ran from the 10th 2013 to the 7th 2016. It has an LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 16-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, a few dents along the top. Right rear tail light. Right rear aftermarket 16-inch wheel good tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front 16-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.